Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Hi. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to grill on stainless steel. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to grill on stainless steel is paintedfurnitureideas.com. See the page titled How to Clean and Restore a Stainless Steel Grill. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site 13179.r.msn.com, especially the page DCS Built-in Grills, DCS Grill Sale W/free Sideburner. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see 2441587.r.msn.com. The web page Stainless Steel Grills samsclub.com. Here's the link.